In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export videos using OneDrive and Clipchamp. By the end, you'll know how to bring a file in from OneDrive, place it on your timeline, and send the finished video right back to OneDrive, all within a smooth Clipchamp workflow. Start by opening Clipchamp in your browser and heading to your video project from the homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your projects. Once your project opens, we'll get ready to import a video from OneDrive. Inside the editor, look to the media panel and click on your videos. This is where all the files associated with your project appear, and it's the easiest place to keep track of what you've added. At the top left of the screen, find the Import Media control. This is your gateway for bringing in files from your computer or connected cloud storage. Click Import Media. A file picker will open. Here, browse to your OneDrive. If you haven't connected OneDrive to Clipchamp before, you may be prompted to allow access. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Navigate through your OneDrive folders to locate the sample video you want to use. Select that file, then confirm by clicking Import. Clipchamp will add it to your project's media library and, if needed, upload or cache it so it's ready for editing. Give it a moment to process. Larger files can take a bit longer. With the video now in your videos, it's time to place it on the timeline so it can be exported. Click and drag the imported clip from the media panel down onto the timeline. Position it at the start so the entire clip is included. If you just need a straight export with no edits, you don't have to make any additional changes. Having the clip on the timeline is what enables exporting. When you're ready, look to the upper right corner of the editor and click Export. Before starting the render, check the destination to make sure OneDrive is selected as the save location. This ensures the finished file is automatically stored in your OneDrive, keeping your assets centralized and accessible across devices. If you see any export options, you can stick with the recommended settings unless you have a specific requirement. Finally, click Export to begin. Keep the tab open while Clipchamp renders. When it's done, your video will be saved to the OneDrive location you confirmed. That's it. Import from OneDrive, drag to the timeline, export back to OneDrive, all in a few clear steps.